In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reimbursement in Zoho Payroll. Whether you're managing reimbursements for just a few employees or handling them on a larger scale, Zoho Payroll makes it straightforward and efficient. Let's dive into the process to ensure we get everything set up correctly and take advantage of all the features Zoho offers for payroll management. First things first, you'll want to log into your Zoho Payroll account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub, showing you a snapshot of your payroll activities and alerts. From here, look to the left sidebar, which is your navigation friend in Zoho Payroll. You'll find a variety of options for managing different aspects of payroll. What you need to do next is click on Settings, a crucial step because this is where all your payroll configurations reside. Once you've clicked on Settings, you'll notice a section called Salary Components. This area is where you define the various parts of your payroll structure. Within Salary Components, there's a drop-down menu, and from there, you need to select Reimbursements. Selecting this will take you to the Reimbursement Settings page, where you can start adding and configuring reimbursement options for your employees. This is a significant section because reimbursements can include anything from travel expenses to work-from-home setups, and customizing this allows you to cater specifically to what your organization needs. Zoho Payroll lets you define the type of reimbursements employees can claim, which adds to your payroll flexibility and minimizes confusion during payout processes. After you've selected reimbursements, you may notice that there are several options or fields to fill out. Here, you'll define the reimbursement type. This can be as specific as detailed reimbursements for certain job roles or industries you're dealing with. Always ensure the titles make sense and are as descriptive as necessary for clarity during payroll processing. Having this customization doesn't just streamline your internal process. It also makes it clear to your employees what reimbursements are available to them, preventing misunderstandings and maintaining staff satisfaction. You might also see options for setting limits or guidelines for each reimbursement type. Take advantage of these features to maintain budget compliance and financial oversight in your organization. And that's it. With this method, you've just learned how to effectively add and manage reimbursements within Zoho Payroll. Remember, utilizing these customizable tools in Zoho Payroll not only simplifies your job, but enhances the transparency and efficiency of your payroll system. So, until next time, keep leveraging technology to make your processes smoother and more efficient. Thank you for tuning in, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more of our resources.